You did that whole tree by yourself. I like that. What do you think?
Maybe it looks good with this because you're like flickering.
Okay, I don't know. It's getting pretty decorated though. You can see it looks pretty full. What do you think? Look at this. You think? Top looks a little empty. Maybe it needs your head on the top of the tree. That's nice. Okay, hold on.